Ever dreamt of profiting from tiny price gaps in the crypto market like a financial ninja? Today, we're diving deep into how you can leverage Wise to fuel your Binance crypto arbitrage strategies. First things first, you need to have both a Wise account and a Binance account set up and verified now. Let's get Wise to send some funds over to Binance. Log into your Wise account and initiate a new transfer. You'll be sending money from your local currency. Let's say USD, to a cryptocurrency you'll eventually trade on Binance, or directly to a fiat currency that Binance accepts for funding. Select Binance as your recipient if the option is available. Or choose to send to your Wise multi-currency account in a currency Binance can easily accept, like EUR or USD. Carefully enter the amount you wish to transfer, and Wise will show you the real-time exchange rate and any fees. Double-check all the details: the amount, the currency, and the recipient information. Once you're happy, confirm the transfer. Wise is known for its speed, so your funds should arrive in your Wise account relatively quickly. Now, head over to your Binance account, navigate to your wallet, and select Fiat and Spot. You'll need to deposit the funds you just sent from Wise. Click on Deposit, and then choose Fiat Deposit. Select the currency you sent from Wise. For example, EUR or USD. Binance will provide you with their bank transfer details. This is where you'll link your Wise transfer to Binance. If you sent directly to Binance, follow the on-screen instructions. If you sent to your Wise multi-currency account, you'll initiate a transfer from Wise's EUR or USD balance to Binance's provided bank details. Crucially, when you initiate the transfer from your Wise multi-currency account to Binance, always include the unique reference code Binance provides. This reference code is vital for Binance to correctly credit your account. Without it, your deposit could be delayed or even rejected. Once the funds appear in your Binance fiat balance, congratulations! You've successfully funded your Binance account using Wise, preparing you to scout for those profitable arbitrage opportunities. Remember to always factor in withdrawal fees on both ends and currency conversion costs when calculating your potential profits. Happy arbitraging!